Hi everyone, welcome to a video. Today I'm going to show you how to avoid Facebook or any online company from taking money straight from your bank account or from your credit card. What you do, open a PayPal account. Once you have one, go. Maybe now I want to buy ads, you get me? So since I'm going to buy ads, before I buy ads, what I'm gonna do, you see, I will select PayPal, right, when I'm buying ads like Facebook. So then I go to my PayPal account, I click on wallet, then on wallet you scroll down. Remember, there's now your credit card and the balance on your PayPal. Then you click on set preferred as preferred. Okay, what did we set? Change. We say change. Instead of credit card, we say PayPal. If you say credit card, they're gonna come straight to your bank account, but you take what? PayPal. Whenever they come, they will find that there's no money here, so they won't take it. Then you confirm. So listen what they say. We will use this when you shop online or send money for goods and services. You can always choose a different way to pay at checkout, right? PayPal balance. If you don't have enough money in your balance, we will ask you to pick one of your other payment methods. They say they will ask you. It doesn't mean they're gonna take money straight as other company does. After that, you confirm. After confirming, you say done. Now it picks from PayPal, right? Let me go back once more. You can see we're fine. Okay, that's right. So let's put this one. Then I'm gonna come. Since I selected PayPal, then I say next. Even on Facebook, don't put your credit card, put PayPal. Say next. Let's see what's gonna happen. Say hello, not you. Information from what from Inc. Agree. Pay with. I'll say change. Use payments Facebook method and platforms. Okay, I'm gonna say change. I think it feels like I think there is not enough money. Since there's not enough money, these guys wants to take from PayPal. You remember PayPal, what they say? If you don't have enough money, they're gonna do what. Okay, so there's not enough money here. So I'm gonna cancel again. What I'll do, I'll put my ads. I'll be like, let me see. The money I have in PayPal is a bit not much. Okay, cancel that. Promote now. Okay, you see they want $40. Have 55. I think I'm gonna reduce the days to not 6, not 7. It's gonna be, let me make it 5 days to see that the money goes down. The money went to $28, which is okay. And say promote now. Payment method required. Add the payment method. I'll use PayPal and say proceed. They want me to use that. Say pay with. Let me do change. Okay, whatever. Okay, see, they change the system. They want, their system is enforcing us to use the credit card. Okay, let me say agree, because if I say pay with, yet in PayPal already set preferred PayPal, not this. Okay, done. Confirm your payment, you will be credited this page. You log. Okay, let me go back. Cancel here. Okay, method required. Okay, let's say add, taking PayPal. Okay, let me say next. PayPal successful added right here. Okay, after adding PayPal, that's good. We say skip this option. Okay, I've added that. PayPal is added. Good. So I might increase now my days to 7, 6, 7, right? Then I say promote now. I was adding a payment method. So in PayPal, when they go submit my ads, money they're gonna take it from here, not from the card. Okay, because it wanted the PayPal with the card. Okay, this is 40. Go to ad center. You can see your ad is being created, right? We will let you know if it meets our advertisement policies within 24 hours or less. You can close. You can also get updates in ad center. Okay, the ad is in review. Well, I'm done with that ad. Good. Yeah, guys, that's the way you're gonna do that. They won't take money now. You can see I'm gonna still have my balance here. They won't take money now, but eventually they're gonna take it. So that's it. I'm in ad center. Let me get, okay, I'm in ad center now, so I don't need to do that more, but I wanted to show the trick how to do that. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.